Hi guys, welcome to another Divi Theme video. This is Jamie from System 22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. We had a little problem with an upgrade. I started playing with some pop-ups yesterday. I was going to do a video about it if I refresh this page. I've got a little off-canvas pop-up that pops up here. And we can close it out with a little button right there. Notice there was an upgrade this morning, so I hit the upgrade button. And there's an upgrade for beta 8.2. So once I upgrade, make sure there's no other updates, and we're good to go. Purged everything for us. Let's have another look at the preview on this page. I'm going to preview on the front end. And although my pop-up's still popping up here, the close button is not working. The interaction is not working at all. We can do everything else with it, but we can't get out of it. And that's not going to work for me. So if you have this problem, we can roll back. And to roll back to the previous version, you need to go down to your dashboard, down to the theme options. That's where we are at the moment. We need to roll over to updates here, where you put in your license key. We can roll back to the previous version. Hit the roll back to previous version, which is public beta 8. And here we are. If we go back to our page now, just refresh again. There's our little pop-up. Got the little hand icon indicating that we can close it down. Perfect. Let's do that one more time. Make sure I'm not missing everything. Let's make sure that there's no caching involved. I'm going to purge this page. Perfect. And we're good to go. So if you've just updated to the new version which came out today, we're February the 11th, 2026, and you're experiencing a problem with your pop-ups, just roll back to the previous version. I'll probably wait. They'll probably have another update out tomorrow, which will fix this. Very short, sweet video for you there. Just thought I'd mention that for anybody that may be experiencing this problem. I was going to do a little video about off-canvas menus, but unfortunately, with that version, it wasn't working. So I hope you enjoyed this today and found it useful. Like I say, very short video today. Don't forget, if you have any questions about Divi 4 or Divi 5, pop them down below. I'll do my best to answer them, or make a little demo video just like this one. Once again, this has been Jamie from System 22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.